Value of sin 5 pi by 3 secant 13 pi by 3. Page number 228. First one, sin 5 pi by 3. Sin 5 pi by 3 means ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు? 5 pi by 3 means generally 5 into 180 by 3. Sin 5 into pi means 180 by 3, that is sin 360 times 300. Sin 300 means దేనికి దగ్గరగా ఉంది? 360 minus 60. Sin 2 pi minus theta or 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant. Sin negative 360 కూడా sin ఏ వచ్చేస్తాయి, that is minus sin 60 means ఇందాక టేబుల్లో చెప్పుకున్నాం sin 60 root 3 by 2, 360 minus 60, that belongs to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sin negative 360 కాబట్టి sin ఏ కన్వర్ట్ అవుద్ది 180కి 360కి. ఓకే, సిమిలర్లీ 300 180 by 300, 360 minus 60, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Similarly, next one, secant 13 pi by 3. Secant 13 into 180 by 3, 60 times పోద్ది, 60 times ఉంది 780 degrees, that is secant 2 into 360 plus 60, sin 2 into even number into 2 pi plus 360, sin secant వస్తుంది, but first quadrant all positives, first quadrant కదా, all positive. Secant 60 1 by cos 60, cos 60 1 by 2, that is secant 60 is 1 by 2, that is secant 13 pi by 3. okay na, 13 pi by 3. Next, find the value of ఇది పేజ్ నెంబర్ 228 or 229. okay, find the value of sin square pi by 10, sin square 4 pi by 10 plus pi means 180 degrees కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి ఫస్ట్ తర్వాత. ఓకే, ఇంకా ఉంది sin square 6 pi by 10, sin square 9 pi by 10. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దీన్ని కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం. sin square pi by 10, pi by 10 means 180 by 10, that is 18. sin square 4 into 18, 72. sin square 6 into 18, 108. sin square 9 pi by 10, 9 into 18, 162. ఓకే, దట్ మీన్స్ నెక్స్ట్ sin square 18 అలానే ఉంచేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ sin square 72ని 90 మైనస్ 18 రాయండి. sin square 108ని 90 ప్లస్ 18 రాయండి. sin square 162ని 180 మైనస్ 18, అంతే కదా, 162 180 మైనస్ 18, 72 90 మైనస్ 18, హియర్ 18. ఓకే, దీన్ని అలానే ఉంచేద్దాం. sin square 90 మైనస్ 18, 90 sin 90 మైనస్ theta cos theta, cos square 18. sin square 90 ప్లస్ 18 స్క్వేర్ కాబట్టి ఆల్వేస్ పాజిటివ్, పాజిటివ్ వచ్చినా నెగిటివ్ వచ్చినా పాజిటివ్. 90 ప్లస్ సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ సైన్ అవుద్ది, కాస్ అవుద్ది, పాజిటివ్. sin square 180 సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ పాజిటివ్, sin square 18. now sin square 18 plus sin square 18 square, cos square 18 plus sin square 18, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. 1 plus 1 2, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta cos square. therefore the value of sin square pi by 10 plus sin square 4 pi by 10 plus sin square 6 pi by 10 plus sin square 9 pi by 10 equal to 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, that is sin square pi by 10, sin square 9 pi by 10, 4 pi by 10, 6 pi by 10. Pi means first of all convert చేస్తాం. Pi means 180 degrees, రేడియన్స్ లోంచి డిగ్రీస్లోకి సెగ్జాజెసిమల్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, నాట్ సెంటిసిమల్, సెగ్జాజెసిమల్, బ్రిటిష్ సిస్టమ్. పై మీన్స్ రేడియన్ సిస్టమ్, దట్ ఈస్ సర్క్యులర్ మెజర్మెంట్ నుంచి డిగ్రీస్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం. అప్పుడు పై 180 degrees, 180 by 10 18, 4 into 180 by 10 18 times, 4 into 18 72, 6 into 18 108, 9 into 18 162. Now 162 converted to 180 minus 18, 108 converted to 90 plus 18, 72 converted to 90 minus 18, sin 90 minus 18, first quadrant all positive, cos square 18, sin square 90 plus 18, cos square 18, sin square 180 minus 18, sin square 18. That is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay. Sin square 18 plus sin square 72, sin square 108, sin square 162 is sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Okay. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Problem 5. If secant theta plus tan theta equal to secant theta plus tan theta equal 2 by 3, find the value of sin theta and theta lies which quadrant. Find the value of sin theta and determine the quadrant in which theta lies, in which secant theta plus tan theta equal 2 by 3. Find the value of sin theta and determine the quadrant in which theta lies. 230. Page number 230. Given that in the given data, secant theta plus tan theta equal to 2 by 3. మనకు ఫార్ములా ఉంది కదా, trigonometric identity. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta, that implies secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. Secant theta plus tan theta 2 by 3 kada, that implies secant theta minus tan theta on the 1 by 2 by 3, that is 3 by 2. Secant theta plus tan theta 2 by 3, దాని రెసిప్రోకల్ secant theta minus tan theta. ప్రతిసారికి అదే ఫార్ములా. Secant theta plus tan theta p అయితే secant theta minus tan theta q 1 by p. ఒకవేళ secant theta minus tan theta x అయితే secant theta plus tan theta 1 by x, that is 1 by 2 by 3, 3 by 2. ఇప్పుడు రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, secant theta plus tan theta plus secant theta minus tan theta యాడ్ చేయండి, 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2, 4 9 13 by 6, but tan cancel, 2 secant theta equal to 13 by 6, secant theta equal to 13 by 12, secant theta వచ్చింది. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ secant theta 13 by 12, రెండు సపరేట్ చేయండి, secant theta plus tan theta minus secant theta minus tan theta, that is 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2, secant cancel, 2 tan theta equal to 4 minus 9 by 6, that is minus 5 by 6, tan theta equal to minus 5 by 12, that is less than 0, ఇది greater than 0. Next, secant theta equal to 13 by 12, that implies cos theta equal to reciprocal ఏమవుతుంది 12 by 13. బట్ మనకు కావాల్సిందండి sin theta, ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, that is sin theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta equal to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus 12 by 13 whole square. 144 by 169. 169 minus 144. 25 by 169. That is 5 by 13. But sin positive or negative? Secant positive, tan negative. That means theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Therefore sin theta is the fourth quadrant, negative. Theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Therefore sin theta negative. A value could enta minus 5 by 13. At the same time theta lies in fourth quadrant. Theta lies in fourth quadrant because tan positive, tan negative, secant positive, tan negative. Here secant positive, here tan negative. Secant positive, tan negative. Therefore cos theta equal 12 by 13, sin theta equal root of 1 minus cos square theta, root of 1 minus 12 by 13 whole square. All applies. That is theta belongs to Q4. That is, it belongs to fourth quadrant. Okay. Cot pi pi by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 3 pi by 16, up to cot 7 pi by 16 equal to 1. Page number 230. Sixth one. Cot pi by 16 into cot 2 pi by 16 into cot 3 pi by 16 up to cot 7 pi by 16 equal to 1. LHS. Cot pi by 16 into cot 2 pi by 16 into cot 3 pi by 16 up to cot 7 pi by 16. ఓకే దీన్ని ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఫస్ట్ది లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఒక పేరు కాట్ పై బై 16 కాట్ 7 పై బై 16. సెకండ్ వన్ లాస్ట్ బట్ వన్ కాట్ 6 పై బై 16. అలాగే థర్డ్ లాస్ట్ నుంచి థర్డ్ 5 పై బై 16. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ ఒకటే ఉంటుంది కదా కాట్ 4 పై బై 16. ఫస్ట్ బ్రాకెట్లోది కాట్ పై బై 16 కాట్ 7 పై బై 16 పై బై 2 మైనస్ పై బై 16 రాయొచ్చు అనుకుంటా. పై బై 2 మైనస్ పై బై 16 చూడండి రఫ్లో పై బై 2 మైనస్ పై బై 16 LCM 8 pi minus pi 7 pi by 16. Okay, third okay cot 2 pi by 16. Similarly idi kuda cot 6 pi by 16, that is pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 16. Next idi kuda cot 3 pi by 16 cot 5 pi by 16 pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16 into cot 4 times cot 4 pi by 4 cot pi by 4 cot pi by 4 1 cot pi by 16 cot pi by 2 minus pi by 16 first quadrant cot pi by 2 minus theta tan theta. Next cot pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 16 cot pi by 2 minus theta tan theta. Cot pi by 2 minus theta tan theta. Cot pi by 4 1. Next cot theta into tan theta. Cot theta into tan theta. Cot theta into tan theta. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. That implies cot theta into tan theta equal to 1. Therefore 1, this is also 1, this is also 1, 1, 1, 1. That is cot pi by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 3 pi by 16 up to cot 7 pi by 16 equal to 1. First term last term oka pair, second last but 1 ala 2 pairs. 7 pi by 16 means pi by 2 minus pi by 16. 6 pi by 16 means pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 16. Pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. ఇక రిమైనింగ్ ఒకటే ఉంటుంది. cot 4 pi by 16, cot pi by 4 1, cot theta tan theta, because cot pi by 2 minus theta tan theta 1 1 1 1. That is RHS. Next, if 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 5, if 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 5, then find 3 cos theta minus 4 sin theta value. 3 cos theta minus 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta value equal to 5. 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Find the value of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Find the value of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. The value of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Given data, three sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 5. Next, find out చేయాల్సింది కదా. Let 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta equal to some constant c equals to 1 and 2. మనం ఏం చేయాలి? Find the value of c. Okay, now squaring and adding. 1 square plus 2 square, that is 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta whole square plus 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole square equal to 5 square plus c square. 5 square plus c square. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here also a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab 25 plus c square. Cancel. ఈ రెండిట్లో sin square theta కామన్ తీయండి. 9 plus 16. ఈ రెండిట్లో cos square theta కామన్ తీయండి. 9 plus 16 equal to 25 plus c square. 9 plus 16, 9 plus 16, 25 common out. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 25 plus c square. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel. Here 9 plus 16, sin square theta common out, cos square theta common out. 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 common out. 25 into cos square theta plus sin square theta equal 25 plus c square. 25 into cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. That implies c square equal 25 minus 25 0. C equal to 0. C value 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta equal to 0. That is find out చేయాల్సిన value అదేనా? given value ఏంటి? 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta 5. find out చేయాల్సింది 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta value. 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta c తీసుకుంటే squaring and adding we get c equal to 0. That is 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta equal to 0. Therefore దాని value 0. Okay. Next, ఇదే మోడల్. if cos theta minus sin theta equal to 7, 8, cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta, cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta, then prove that cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta ni prove cheyali. Okay. Cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. మనం ఇప్పుడు ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి? cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Given data cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Sin theta equal to దీన్ని పంపించండి root 2 minus 1 cos theta. Plus cos theta కలిపితే minus cos theta. Cos theta common out. Root 2 minus 1. Now multiplying root 2 minus 1. Rationalizing factor ఏంటి? root 2 plus 1. Multiplying root 2 plus 1 on both sides. We get root 2 plus 1 sin theta, root 2 plus 1 root 2 minus 1 cos theta. That is root 2 sin theta plus sin theta. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 2 minus 1 cos theta. That implies వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా cos theta minus sin theta equal to plus sin theta రైట్ సైడ్ పంపించాం root 2 sin theta, root 2 sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Given data ఏంటి? cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Okay. Then prove that cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Root 2 sin theta. That implies multiplying on both sides root 2 plus 1 on both sides we get root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1 sin theta equal to root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 cos theta. Okay. Next step. Root 2 into sin theta, root 2 sin theta plus sin theta equal to cos theta. Next, cos theta left side, sin theta right side. Cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. దాన్ని cos theta minus sin theta. దీన్ని పైన రాసేయండి. root 2 sin theta plus sin theta equal to cos theta. That implies cos theta నన్ను పంపించండి. cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. That is proof. Cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin. Multiplying root 2 plus 1 on both sides. We get root 2 plus 1 sin theta equal to root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 cos theta. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 1 into cos theta cos theta. Root 2 into 1 root 2 into sin theta, root 2 sin theta, 1 into sin theta sin theta. Sin theta and right side transfer just cos theta minus sin theta equal to remaining term root 2 sin theta. That is proof. Find the value of 2 into sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 4 into sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. Ninth sum 231 minus 3. 2 into sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 into sin power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta. Sin power 6 plus cos power 6. Okay. దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? 2 into sin power 6 ని sin square whole cube cos square whole cube. 3 into sin power 4 plus cos power 4 sin square whole square cos square whole square. 2 into a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b minus 3ab into ఏ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ బి క్యూబ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఫార్ములా రాస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ ఏ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ బి క్యూబ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ క్యూబ్ మైనస్ 3ab ఇంటూ ఏ ప్లస్ బి. ఏ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ బి క్యూబ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ క్యూబ్ మైనస్ 3ab ఇంటూ ఏ ప్లస్ బి. Similarly, a square plus b square formula. A square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That is, a means sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2ab. 2 sin square theta cos square theta. 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. 1 cube 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. 1 square 1. 2 sin square theta cos square theta. 2 minus 6 sin square theta cos square theta. Minus 3 plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta. Plus minus cancel. 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. That is value of 2 sin power 6 plus cos power 6 minus 3 sin power 4 plus cos power 4. Sin power 6 means sin square whole cube plus cos square whole cube. Cos 3 into sin power 4 means sin square whole square, cos power 4, cos square whole square. A cube plus b cube formula. A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A square plus b square formula. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. 3. 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos 2. 2 into 1, 2 minus 3 minus 6 plus 6 cancel. 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. That is problem 10. Okay. Next. Problem 9. That is problem 9. 10th problem. Prove that tan theta plus cot theta whole square equal to. Prove that tan theta plus cot theta whole square equal to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. Prove that tan theta plus cot theta whole square equal to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. First LHS. Tan theta plus cot theta whole square. A square plus b square 2ab 2 tan theta cot theta. Tan square theta means secant square theta minus 1. Cot square theta, cosecant square theta minus 1. Tan cot cancel because cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Tan theta cancel. 2 into 1, 2. 1, 2 to cancel. That is secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Next, secant square theta means 1 by cos square theta, cosecant square 1 by sin square theta. LCM, sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta into cos square theta. This is 1. This is 1. 1 by sin square theta cos square, 1 by sin square cosecant square, 1 by cos square secant square, 1 by sin square cosecant square, 1 by cos square secant square, 1 by sin square cosecant square, 1 by cos square secant square. That is secant square theta plus cosecant square theta equal to secant square theta cosecant square theta. Therefore, tan theta plus cot theta whole square equal to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Tan square means secant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay. Cosecant square theta, secant square theta, cosecant square theta. Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Okay. Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 cancel minus 2 plus 2 cancel. Remaining part secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Secant square theta means 1 by cos square theta. Cosecant square means 1 by sin square. LCM sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta cos square theta. 1 by cos square secant square 1 by sin square cosecant square. That is problem 10. 6a first one. Convert the following into simplest form. Convert the following into simplest form. That is first one tan theta minus 14 pi. Second one cot 21 pi by 2 minus theta. Third one cosecant 5 pi plus theta. Fourth one secant 4 pi minus theta. సింప్లెస్ట్ ఫామ్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. అంటే పెద్ద పెద్ద యాంగిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, వాటిని కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి, సింప్లెస్ట్ ఫామ్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ tan theta minus 14 pi. యాంగిల్లో మైనస్ కామన్ తీయండి. 14 pi minus theta. Tan of minus theta. Minus theta always belongs to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means only cos secant positive. Remaining part negative. That is minus tan 14 pi minus theta. Minus tan 14 pi minus theta. Okay. That is minus tan 14 pi. That is 7 into 2 pi minus theta. Therefore 2 pi multiples 2 pi minus theta means fourth quadrant. Tan avuddi. Fourth quadrant means minus already minus plus minus already minus plus. Okay na? Tan of theta minus 14 pi. Tan of minus common out 14 pi minus theta. Tan of minus theta minus tan theta. Here 14 pi means 2 into 7, 7 into 2 pi. 2 pi multiples 7 times minus theta. Tan 2 pi means fourth quadrant. Tan avuddi, but negative avuddi. Negative already negative. Negative into negative positive. Tan theta. Similarly, second one cot 21 pi by 2 minus theta. 21 pi by 2 minus theta. That is cot 10 pi plus pi by 2 minus theta. 21 pi by 2 nil rayachu. 10 pi plus pi by 2. 2 LCM 20 plus 1 21 pi by 2. Cot 10 pi plus pi by 2 first quadrant. Cot pi by 2 minus theta. Cot avuddi. That is first quadrant tan theta. First quadrant means all positives kada. Tan theta. Next cosecant 5 pi plus theta. That is cosecant 2 into 2 pi plus pi plus theta. 2 pi means first quadrant. మళ్ళీ as it is వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా. cosecant pi plus theta. Third quadrant cosecant negative. Cosecant avuddi secant avuddi. Negative secant avuddi. That is minus secant theta. Next fourth one secant 4 pi minus theta. Secant 2 into 2 pi minus theta. Secant 2 pi minus theta. 360 minus theta. Secant theta. Fourth quadrant positive. Fourth quadrant positive. That is fourth quadrant lo cos secant positive. Therefore secant avuddi positive avuddi. Next అంటే ఇలా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. 21 pi by 2 అంటే 2 పైకి 2 pi మల్టిపుల్స్ వచ్చేటట్టు 10 pi plus pi by 2 2 LCM 20 plus 1 21. అలాగే 5 పైని 2 into 2 pi plus pi 5 pi. అలాగే 4 పైని 2 into 2 pi minus theta. అలా నెక్స్ట్ ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఈచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ sin of minus 405. Sin of minus theta, that is also belongs to fourth quadrant. Sin minus theta fourth quadrant కాబట్టి negative sign minus sin theta minus sin 360 plus 45 because 405 means 360 plus 45. 360 plus means first quadrant. Therefore, sin A minus sin 45 minus 1 by root 2. Similarly, second one, cos minus 7 pi by 2. Cos of minus theta that belongs to fourth quadrant cos theta. 7 pi by 2 means 2 pi plus 3 pi by 2. 2 pi plus 3 pi by 2. Okay, 4 pi plus 3 pi, 7 pi by 2. That is cos 3 pi by 2. Again 3 pi by 2 means cos pi plus pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 means third quadrant minus cos pi by 2. Third quadrant cot 2 tan positive minus cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 0. That is minus 0, that is 0. Pi plus pi by 2 belongs to third quadrant. Therefore, cos negative. And the third one, secant 2100 degrees. Secant 2100. 360 లో కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం? 6 into 360 ఎంత? 6 into 360 2160 minus 60. 6 into 360 60 66 36 8 2160 degrees minus 60 just the secant 2100. 360 minus fourth quadrant secant positive secant 60 secant theta 1 by cos theta 1 by cos 60 1 by 1 by 2 2. That is values of the given problems. Sin of minus 405, that is minus sin theta, because minus theta always belongs to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant only cos secant positive. Okay now, that is minus sin 405 minus sin 360 plus 45 minus sin 45 minus 1 by 2 cos minus theta minus cos of minus theta cos theta 7 pi by 2 2 pi plus 3 pi by 2 cos 3 pi by 2 cos 3 pi by 2 means minus cos pi by 2, that is 0. Therefore, secant 2100 secant 2100 means 6 into 360 minus 60 2 pi fourth quadrant secant out secant 60 secant 60 equal to 2.